Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a dollar store thingamajig pour. I found this cool black star table ornament doohickey. So we're going to put that on here and give it a little spin. See how the pour turns out. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. Love all the comments, love all the thumbs up. Not so happy about the thumbs down, but that's okay. Just remember, tell your friends, share. I need all the help I can get. Alrighty, I'm gonna do 12 by 12 canvas. I've got the black acrylic already on here. Now I've mixed the black acrylic with this acrylic pearlescent mixing medium. Just got this in from Amazon, which I do have links in the description about all the stuff that I have that I buy from Amazon. If you click on the link and buy something, I will get a tiny commission on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. So feel free to do some shopping on Amazon. You'll find it. Whoa! Just filled up my butane torch. As you can see, don't worry, I got water standing by. Always safe around here. I don't cook, so nobody trusts me with a flame either. Okay. Never a dull moment on my channel, I tell you. If you watch any of my videos, I can pretty much guarantee you I got a blooper in there. I do it all the time. Not trying to light the place on fire, but I have so many bloopers. I blow lids around and throw them in my paintings, and it's just fun stuff. Okay. So I'm going to put my star right down in the center-ish. Sit them right there. And I'm going to start pouring some color down. So I'm going to do some white, which also has the pearlescence in that. I've got my pale mauve. I've got Liquitex turquoise blue. My brilliant blue, and it has a little bit of silicone added in there. Some gold. And possibly some ready to pour beige. This has got nothing added to it. It's straight out of the bottle. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So first color down is going to be my Liquitex turquoise blue. I'm just going to pour it right over the top of this star and see what we get. Love this color, so I'll be a little generous with it. It's a beautiful turquoise blue. Okay, then I'm going to put a little bit of white. I have to show you something too. I always like to share little stories and stuff. Well, I have the tripod, the camera's on the tripod, I should say, right in front of me. And Greg, who is the love of my life, love him to bits, edits my videos for me, and he's just a huge rock for me, encouragement doing this. He's always ordering me paints and surprising me when I get in the door from work, like these Artezas here. My favorite paints. I'm new at using them and they're just awesome. So he usually puts a little sticky note out for me to remember. Remember your Amazon, remember to subscribe, remember to thank everybody. Well, this is the note I had, which I have to share with you. I don't know if you can see at the bottom, he adds, Greg is awesome. So there's a funny little story about Greg. He likes to leave me little notes. Okay. So now let's do the mauve pale. This is our Arteza color as well. And I think I'm going to add gold next. Now you'll have to watch at the end of this video too. There's going to be, hopefully, a little end card that you can click on. It's a video of Greg and I, man versus woman paint pour. Funny video, cute to watch. I hope you stay and click on it and watch. It's really neat. Okay, so now I think I'm going to do some brilliant blue. And back to some white. Let's do some more blue turquoise. Woo, almost running out. I'm going to have to mix some more of this. It's okay, it'll get us through our painting. Then I'm going to add a little bit of beige. There we go. The last bit of white. I think I'm going to pour a little bit more white on there. Just didn't seem quite enough. There we go. Then let's finish it off with the mauve. And a tiny bit of gold. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's let that run off for a second. Very cool pattern it did. Love those little dollar store finds. Okay, now I'm going to pull this guy off. Sit him right over there. Just going to take my paint knife and just draw a couple of lines through here. Oops. Just to kind of help the pattern a little bit as we give it a little pour. Or a little spin, I should say. Okay, let's give it a little torch without burning the place down. And yes, Greg did just fill this for me, so I'll be having a word with him about being a little light on the fill for me because I can't be trusted. Okay, let's give this a spin. Are we ready? Hopefully nobody gets dizzy and you stay with me. Here we go. Ooh, that looks really cool. I don't want to hit my painting, so I'm just going to let it slow down a bit before I try and stop this. Now this spinner is a Lazy Susan I got for $4 at the Salvation Army. It barely makes any noise and it spins awesome. Look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, you know what? I don't even think I want to spin it anymore. That looks so cool. I like that it's got some black through there. Yeah, I'm not messing with this, you guys. This looks really neat. I'm going to lift it quickly. Look at that. Love it. Okay. I'm definitely not spinning it anymore because I love it. I'm going to take my glove off, give it a quick little torch just to see if there's any cells. I'm going to hold it high above my painting so don't burn anything. All right. And I can see that there's some cells happening, so excellent. This is going to look really nice when it dries. Okay, I know that was a quick video, guys, but when you love it, you love it. You got to stop. Sometimes I overdo it. I know my aunt, sometimes when she's watching my video, she's yelling at me through her TV or her iPad, whatever she's watching on, "Stop, Sandy, stop!" Then I'll get a text from her going, "Could you hear me yelling stop?" Love you, Auntie Carol. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for watching. Please click the link that's popping up and hit the subscribe button. Watch the next video because it's really cute. Greg and I, man versus woman. Let me know who you think did the better pour. Thanks, everyone.